What's up YouTube? Lego Lion 30 coming at you. Got the Lego Luke Skywalker X-Wing build part 2 here, sped up edition. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. My video is recorded like this because I'm using the app called Prism Live. No ad affiliation. I wasn't thinking I could use the app to record rather than go to my camera, so that's why it's like this. We'll get it right for future videos from now on. I hope you're enjoying this copyrighted free music during this Lego Luke Skywalker X-Wing build. If you haven't already, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.